Hey guys, this is Riz and you are watching Graphicity RZ. So today we are going to do an amazing color grading effect rich in dark red color. So before we get started, just hit that subscribe button and get flooded with more amazing tutorials. So before further ado, let's get started. So at first, open the image you want to color grade. Then duplicate the image and give the layer a name. Now simply head to filter and open camera raw filter. Now just follow me and set the values as I am doing. So after we are done with the adjustments and values, it's time to save the settings so we can apply it on another images. Now for applying on another image, simply open your second image, then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+J and then hit to filter and open camera raw filter. Now just load the settings and apply. So finally we are done. Thanks for watching this video and just subscribe my channel to wish me a hi in the next tutorial soon.